This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to join public testing in Forsaken. First, it's important to understand that public testing helps developers find bugs and gather feedback on upcoming content. You'll want to keep an eye on official game announcements or developer blogs for opportunities. Before signing up, always check if your computer or console meets the required specifications to run the test build smoothly. This ensures a good experience for everyone involved. Once you've found an open invitation, navigate to the official sign-up page. You'll typically need to log in with your existing game account or create a new one. Carefully fill out the registration form, providing all requested information accurately. Many test programs require you to agree to a non-disclosure agreement, or NDA, which means you cannot share details publicly. Read it thoroughly before accepting. After successful registration, you will usually receive instructions on how to download the test client. This might be a completely separate application from the main game or an update to your existing game client. Follow the installation steps carefully, ensuring you have sufficient disk space, perhaps 20 gigabytes or more. Once installed, launch the test client and log in using the account you registered for the program. Now that you have access, dive into the test content and explore the new features. Your primary role is to play the game and actively look for any bugs, glitches, or unexpected behavior. Report these findings using the designated in-game tool or forum, providing as much detail as possible. Additionally, offer constructive feedback on gameplay, balance, and overall experience to help shape the final product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.